Now let us see what is the difference between the continue and the break statement. Okay, so the continue statement will just try to skip that particular iteration. It will not try to break the loop, right? The continue statement will just try to skip that particular iteration, but it will not try to break the loop, right? See, if I am trying to print like this now, okay, if I'm trying to print run as Java application, so the output will be like this: 1, 2 it skipped, because I have given the condition that if I is equal to 2, skip that particular iteration, right? 1, so 2 it skipped, it printed 3, 4 and 5. Then it printed the next set of statement. Or let me try to write it as outside loop. Okay, outside loop. I'm just trying to write one statement, println statement. Okay, let me try to have print the same thing here also. Okay, control V. Okay, now what will the continue do? It will just try to skip that particular iteration. But let us see what will be the break do if I'm trying to write like this. Run as Java. Oh, whenever it tries to see, whenever the Java sees it as break, it will not only skip that particular iteration, it also breaks the for loop and come out of the for. Okay, see, what does this do? Break statement, it will break the entire loop. If suppose you have a loop where you are iterating from 1 to 5, okay, in this case only, but you don't want to execute the other set of statement when some condition satisfies, okay, and you want to come out of the loop. In that particular case, you can use this break statement. What will continue statement do? It will just skip that particular iteration. But the break statement will skip entire iterations or entire things, and it will break the for loop whenever the condition satisfies for which you have written break. And it will execute the next set of statement outside the loop. So it is not printing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? The execution goes like this. The value of I is equal to 1. Okay. Then next it goes inside the for loop. It will try to check if I is equal to 2. I is equal to 2. No, this will return as false. Okay. Then it will gonna print system.out.println the value of I. Now the value of I will be set to 2. Right, incremented. Now it will gonna check is the value of 2 is equal to 2. 2 is equal to 2. Yes, this will return as true. Okay, now the if condition is true, then it should go inside the if loop. Okay, there is a break statement. So what does? It will break the entire for loop and come out of the loop, and then it will try to print the next set of statement outside the loop. What is the statement outside the loop? Outside loop, like this, and it will try to print one more outside. So this is how the break statement works. Break will break the loop. Continue will just skip one iteration. This is the major difference between break and continue statement. And continue statement can be used only inside the loops. Okay, break statement can be used only inside the loop or in the switch statement. Clear guys? So this is the major difference between break and continue statement.